Things you should know before starting a print-on-demand POD business in 2024. Market overview. The POD market is growing rapidly, with an estimated global value of $1.3 billion by 2025. Popular niches include fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment. Key players. Major POD platforms include Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, and Society6. Each platform has its own strengths, weaknesses, and pricing structures. Design and product options. Pod allows you to design and sell custom products without holding inventory. Popular products include t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and home decor items. Design requirements. Design files must be high quality and meet the platform specifications. Fonts, graphics, and colors must be optimized for print production. Pricing and profit margins. POD pricing is competitive, with prices ranging from $10 to $50 per item. Profit margins vary depending on the product, platform, and pricing strategy. Marketing and sales. Building a strong online presence through social media and content marketing is crucial. Influencer marketing and paid advertising can also be effective strategies. Challenges. Competition from other POD sellers and established brands. Quality control and customer service issues can arise. Keep up with changing trends and consumer preferences. Opportunities. High demand for unique and custom designs. Growing popularity of e-commerce and online shopping. Opportunities for niche targeting and branding. Tips for success. Start small and test products, designs, and marketing strategies. Focus on quality and customer satisfaction to build a strong reputation. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices.